Do you know many people are having trouble with pairing their iPhones to the iOS JOBROCKER Plus? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate Bluetooth. Turn on your iOS JOBROCKER Plus and ensure the Bluetooth light is flashing blue. Step 2. Enable phone Bluetooth. Access your iPhone Settings app, navigate to Bluetooth, and turn it on. Step 3. Select device. Look for iOS JOBROCKER Plus under device listings and select it to pair. Step 4. Disconnect previous. Press the Bluetooth disconnect button on the JOBROCKER to break any previous connections. Step 5. Confirm connection. Once paired, the Bluetooth light on the JOBROCKER will remain solid blue. By following these simple steps, your iPhone 6s Plus should now be successfully paired with the iOS JOBROCKER Plus. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other iOS users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.